Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started.
So this will be a short but very useful video in which I will tell you my expectations for the further movement of Bitcoin, show the main support and resistance zone from which you can try to open trades if there are breakdowns. Also, watch this video till the end because there will be a lot of interesting information, so let's get started. As you remember, I already told in the previous video that we had a lower high and lower low structure. Now we have broken this structure, made a local crossover with this wick, which has been drawn here, and now we will probably line up a growing formation, which is called a higher high and a lower low. This means that each new high will be higher than the previous one, and each new low will be lower than the previous one. And graphically, this may look like a channel in which Bitcoin will jump from stage to stage and go higher and higher to values of at least $30,000. And I remind you that the maximum goal that I see globally is $48,000, but this is a high target, after which I expect a drop to $12,000. So far, the goals that we have from $16,000 when we started to gain a long position in Bitcoin are $28,000, $36,000. Don't forget about it. These were our targets for the Fibonacci grid. And now we'll show you a slightly different Fibonacci grid that was drawn on this rise with this dump and fall. And it's for this momentum that we have another Fibonacci grid, which is still not corrected, and the nearest correction zone is $24,600, $23,481. We can also go there, and after that go to conquer our goals of $35,000, the maximum goal of $44,000, and the really maximum goal $54,000, but this is already unlikely. The maximum target that Bitcoin can reach in this bullish rally is $48,000 in my opinion. More than that, I don't think it could happen this year. And the next target will be a deep dive after the 45,000 zone, diving into the $12,000 area. I remind you that right now I have an open loan on BYBIT, and I remind you that right now I have an excellent promotion exclusively with the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. You can use special bonuses and preferences only for you. If you want to take as many bonuses from me as possible, use my referral link in the description or in the first pinned comment. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make your registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country or you don't want to use it, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there's a spin like a wheel. You can win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description and get your bonuses. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. We see that nothing radical happens at RSI to hinder our growth. The only thing is that we don't have any divergences yet, and all the divergences that we had have already worked out. Bitcoin can stand in one range, and at that time RSI will cool down. This is happening now. RSI has practically come from the overbought zone to the oversold zone, and this is a zone below 50. RSI was practically already here on this last impulse up to $29,000. It practically reached the values of 60, 70. So far we don't have any divergences worth paying attention to. Everything is going well enough. Therefore, we can expect that we will have further growth to $31,000 without subsequent corrections from current values. Also traders, let's take a look at the range, the basic fundamental range that we currently have on the 4-hour time frame. We have a resistance zone, it is marked in green, and a support zone which is marked in red. So what trade should be opened? I can only say that if you break through this range, do a retest and go higher, then you can open a long position from about here and put a stop loss behind this low, and the target for this loan is $32,000. If the reverse picture occurs and we go down, then you can take shorts for a breakdown, and target of this short is the level of $23,800, and you can even keep this short down to $21,000 if the breakdown works out. So we put the stop behind the level. These are the trades for long and short if one of the scenarios that I mentioned happens. So let's take a look at this bullish flag on the 4-hour time frame that could be about to work out for us. In fact, it has already broken through at 12 o'clock. Perhaps it was a fake out. In fact, it has already broken through at 12. Perhaps it was a fake out. But if it was not a fake out, then we retest this bullish flag from above. The target that we have for the breakdown is $36,700. This is also coincides with our local and more global Fibonacci grid. So you need to watch how we close 12 hours on a bull flag, pay attention to local time frames, and be subscribed to my free Telegram group where you can find updates much earlier. So what do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. Don't forget to put your likes and comments. Thank you for watching.